For millennia, humans have gazed up at the night sky, awestruck by the vastness of the cosmos and pondering a profound question. Are we alone in the universe? The universe, as we're coming to understand it, is a place of unimaginable scale, teeming with billions upon billions of stars, each perhaps orbited by its own family of planets. Given this staggering immensity, the notion that life arose only on our little Earth seems almost statistically improbable. Yet we find ourselves at a crossroads, yearning for connection, for some sign, some signal from the cosmos that would answer our age-old question. In 1950, physicist Enrico Fermi posed a question that has haunted scientists and philosophers ever since. If the universe is teeming with life, as many suspect, then where is everybody? This simple question, known as the Fermi Paradox, highlights the puzzling contradiction between the high probability of extraterrestrial life and the lack of any observable evidence. The universe, after all, is billions of years old. Even if intelligent life arises relatively rarely, there should have been ample time for civilizations to develop and spread across the galaxy. Some might argue that interstellar travel is simply too difficult, or that alien civilizations might choose not to contact us. But even then, shouldn't we see some signs of their existence? Remnants of megastructures, stray radio signals, or perhaps even evidence of galactic colonization? The Fermi Paradox is a stark reminder of our limited understanding of the universe and the processes that govern the emergence and evolution of life. It forces us to confront the possibility that we are truly alone, a solitary island of consciousness in a vast and indifferent cosmos. Or perhaps there are solutions to the paradox that we haven't yet considered, possibilities that challenge our current understanding of physics, technology, or even the nature of intelligence itself. In 1961, astronomer Frank Drake devised an equation to estimate the number of detectable civilizations in our galaxy. This equation, known as the Drake equation, takes into account factors such as the rate of star formation, the fraction of stars with planets, the number of habitable planets per star, and the probability of life arising on such planets. While the Drake equation doesn't provide a definitive answer, it serves as a framework for understanding the factors that influence the likelihood of finding extraterrestrial intelligence. By plugging in different values for these variables, we can explore a wide range of possibilities, from a galaxy teeming with communicative civilizations to one where we are utterly alone. The Drake equation reminds us that the search for extraterrestrial intelligence is ultimately a numbers game. Even if the probability of life arising on any given planet is small, the sheer number of stars and planets in the galaxy suggests that we may not be alone. ## media keywords: Frank Drake, mathematical formula, radio telescope array. In 1977, astronomers at the Big Ear Radio Observatory in Ohio detected a strong narrowband radio signal that lasted for 72 seconds. This signal, known as the WOW signal due to the annotation made by astronomer Jerry Amon on the data printout, exhibited many of the characteristics expected of an extraterrestrial transmission. The WOW signal originated from the constellation Sagittarius, near a star called Tau Sagittarii. Despite numerous attempts to re-observe the signal, it has never been detected again. The WOW signal remains one of the most compelling unsolved mysteries in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. While its true nature remains unknown, the WOW signal serves as a tantalizing reminder of the possibility that we are being watched, listened to, or perhaps even contacted by civilizations far more advanced than our own. Big Ear Radio Observatory. WOW signal printout, constellation Sagittarius. In 2015, astronomers announced the discovery of a star exhibiting unusual and dramatic fluctuations in brightness. This star, officially known as Chi-AC 8462852 but more popularly dubbed Tabby's star, after astronomer Tabitha Boyajian, has puzzled scientists ever since. Unlike other stars with known exoplanets, which exhibit periodic dips in brightness as the planets transit in front of them, Tabby's star shows irregular and unpredictable dimming events, some of which block as much as 22% of the star's light. Several theories have been proposed to explain Tabby's star's strange behavior, including swarms of comets, interstellar dust clouds, and even intrinsic variations within the star itself. However, one of the most intriguing explanations, though highly speculative, is the possibility of an alien megastructure, such as a Dyson swarm, orbiting the star. A Dyson swarm, a hypothetical megastructure proposed by physicist Freeman Dyson, would consist of a massive array of solar collectors designed to harness the star's energy. Tabby's starlight curve, artist's rendition of Dyson swarm, Kepler Space Telescope. The Great Filter, a concept proposed by economist Robin Hanson, suggests that there may be a critical threshold in the evolution of life that is extremely difficult or even impossible to cross. This filter could take many forms, from the early emergence of life itself, to the development of intelligence, technology, or even self-destruction. The Great Filter hypothesis attempts to reconcile the Fermi Paradox with the vastness of the universe. If such a filter exists, it could explain why we haven't encountered any other civilizations. The sobering implication of the Great Filter is that humanity may have already passed through it, suggesting that we are among the first, or even the only intelligent civilization in the cosmos. Alternatively, the filter may lie ahead of us, representing an existential threat that could prevent us from reaching a higher level of technological or societal development. Evolutionary timeline, extinction events, technological singularity. From the eerie silence implied by the Fermi Paradox to the tantalizing possibilities hinted at by the WOW signal and Tabby's star, the universe presents us with more questions than answers. Are we truly alone in this vast and ancient cosmos? Or are there other intelligences out there waiting to be discovered? The search for extraterrestrial intelligence is a testament to our innate curiosity, our desire to understand our place in the universe, and perhaps even to find kindred spirits among the stars. What do you think? Share your thoughts and theories in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more explorations of the universe and its many mysteries.